he's setting up date night. You can be like, I'll be there in a minute, boo. And then you come out. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, Easter was at home. Date nights have to be at home. On my blog, ninaceleste.com, I have 4 date night ideas for you. So go and read them, check them out. Try one out. I'm definitely going to try because I am definitely in need of a date night, being at home with the kids all the time. If you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep watching. First things is the brows. I'm using shade Java and the micro brow pencil by Morphe, roughly. And I'm going to use that same concealer I use in my foundation. Routine. I'm taking a Morphe M421. It's going to make it look like you just got your brows done. We have shape again. We have brows that look okay. And now just the top. Brows are the only part of makeup that's still taking the longest because they're so important. The e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. A little on the forehead. Instantly mattifies, and I just moisturize with the oil, and that instantly took the shine down that I had from the oil. Same as from the foundation routine. L'Oreal True Matched in warm. It's a warm shade. Spice Latte W9. Basically this makeup isn't really for him. It's so that you can post date night at home. And so everyone can see how cute you look at home. So that's what this makeup is really for. So you can post. I'm gonna go back in with the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. A little around the mouth. Okay. It's not my favorite, but it'll do. L'Oreal Pro Infallible. In my opinion, it doesn't have much coverage, but that's kind of fine for this purpose. I'm putting much more of this because the coverage doesn't compare to the Can't Stop, Won't Stop. And students are submitting their work on Google Classroom at 9:30. They're second graders. I mean, now we're gonna do a little bit of baking. The most amazing palette to contour with, the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. I'm going to take the middle shade, it's a matte shade, just like the dark contouring shade, and I'm going to set my face with that. Next, with that same brush, there's not a lot of foundation powder left, so now I'm going to dust away the highlight. Okay. Next, contour. Always gotta contour. Taking like a tapered brush. Crease in my eye. A little rough. Crease color. Okay. Brush that I had the powder foundation on, but I wiped away the baking powder. Highlight. I'm gonna use the highlight out of here. It's a nice goldish highlight. It's the one up here. This brush on the nose. Okay. And then ring finger, same highlight. Bring it in. What's your eyeshadow? Where's it? Now, I need to get this powder out of my brow. The Essence Make Me Brow. So I'm using NYX. I'm gonna use the same lip combination. Natural, neutral, lip, nude lip. Espresso from NYX. Let's do a lash. I wasn't gonna do a lash, but let's do a lash. Okay. I'm gonna put some mascara on. Okay, a little bit. So I just pop them on, and that's that. Period. That's it. That's it. So this is the finished look. This is date night at home, quarantine style, chill, really chill, but still cute enough to pose. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm cute, I'm with my boo at home, but what am I gonna do? Go to the blog. I have 4 date night ideas, everything you can do to make it a really nice night in. NinaCeleste.com, right here. NinaCeleste.com. Check out some of my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.